Abby here, and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. Now today I'm going to be unboxing the new Google Fitbit Air fitness tracker. But before I get started, make sure to hit that subscribe button if you're not already subscribed, so you can stay tuned to all my new videos dropping weekly and so you can help the channel grow. Now I do have this tracker in the color Lavender, but it did come out in some other colors as you could see on screen. And the current price as of recording is $129.99 Canadian and $99.99 American. So it's putting it more in price line with Fitbit's more kind of entry-level fitness trackers like the Inspire 3, the Luxe, stuff like that. Now, I don't like that my package came with a little bit of tape or whatever this is on it. All right, guys, now let's go ahead and unbox this, what you guys came here to see. So here it is right out the box. Let's see what else is in here. It does have a charging cord. Now it is very long, which is always nice to see. Kind of a magnetic charger here with USB-C at the other end. A little guide here showing you how to turn it on and charge it. And there's paperwork. So we have a Fitbit Air like support guide, quick start guide, and we have a product safety information little guide here as well. So now let's go ahead and take this out of the package. Velcro, looks like a nylon band. Take this off. All right, guys, so here it is, the Fitbit Air. What do you think? So my first impression here is that it feels very light. It is definitely pretty thin, which I like to see. Let's give it a try on now, though. Google branding now. You know, Fitbit's been asleep for a couple years now. Since Google bought them, they haven't put out anything in years. This is the first release in so many years, so I'm actually really excited to see this new Google Fitbit tracker here. All right, guys, so this is what it looks like on me. You can definitely wear it on your left or your right hand. You don't really have to worry about, you know, a display and the button orientation, anything like that. It is pretty thin. It is definitely lightweight. The band is nice and smooth, and it's soft. I don't know if I'm the biggest fan of this random silver part here, but that might grow on me, I don't know. Now, they say this is lavender. To me, this is like a periwinkle. It is very blue. In the middle, like the little woven parts, there's like a really pretty lavender color in there, but there's a lot of blue. So I don't hate this color. I am complaining about the description of it because I don't think it's lavender, but it is a nice color for sure. And out of the three, this is definitely my favorite option. Let me know what you guys think about the color, if you agree with me or disagree with that as well. Let me know what you guys think about it. I think it does look decent. And now I'm gonna go ahead and turn this thing on, set it up. And once I get a real feel for the new Fitbit Air here, I'm gonna go ahead and come back on AbbyBReviewing Tech Tuesday soon to do a full review for you guys on the Fitbit Air here. And if you guys are looking to pick up the new Fitbit Air here, I've gone ahead and left a link down in the description for you to use. So that's all I have for today. Thanks for watching, and make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.